Because sometimes you feel like a delicious drink, but with just a little bit less alcohol in it. So you can have more, or not. Now, low ABV cocktails certainly found their place on cocktail bar menus around the world, together with no ABV drinks, and it's a very good thing. But can low ABV cocktails be as interesting and exciting as regular cocktails? That's what we're going to find out today. Let's make some drinks. Let's start with the Queen Elizabeth. Very simple, you only need 3 ingredients for this one. In a shaker, start with 1.5 ounce of dry vermouth, 3/4 ounce of Benedictine, and 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Fill your shaker with ice and give it a good shake for around 10 seconds. Serve it in your glass of choice. And for garnish, I use a little lime zest. This one is really light, bright and citrusy and gives ample space to the vermouth, so feel free to experiment with different brands. Wonderfully balanced by the Benedictine and the lime, this is simply delicious. Next, let's make the Starlight Reverse Martini. In a mixing glass, start with 1 3/4 ounces of white vermouth, 1 ounce of gin, you can also use vodka, and a bar spoon of maraschino liqueur. Fill your mixing glass with ice, give it a good stir for around 30 seconds until very well chilled, and serve it in your favorite glass. For garnish, use a maraschino cherry. I'm a big fan of olives in my martinis, but it really doesn't work in this one, so stick with the cherry. I usually enjoy all kinds of martini variations. This is definitely on the sweeter side, but still really highly enjoyable. The touch of maraschino really rounds up the drink. You want to choose your vermouth with care as it plays a big role in this drink. Now let's make the Averna Cobbler. In a shaker, start with 1.5 ounce of Averna, 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice freshly squeezed, and a bar spoon of marmalade. I use black cherry, but feel free to experiment with other kind of berries. Fill your shaker with ice and give it a good shake for around 10 seconds. Serve it in your glass of choice. For garnish, the recipe calls for freshly cracked black pepper. But this is really a celebration of the Averna, but feel free to experiment with different amaros you like. The marmalade brings a very pleasant fruity touch, the black pepper an original savory dimension. This one is really a cracker, you should try it. So there you have 3 delicious and lighter cocktails. I'm really curious to know if you have a go-to recipe, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing if you did. I'll see you in the next one for more cocktail adventures. Cheers!